Next, let's implement the list users feature in the users management module in our bookstore website. Here's our tag list. First, we need to code a list user sublet. Then we code the user service class, and we code the users list based in HTML and the STL. The STL stands for ZSP Standard Tag Libraries. We don't use Java code or ZSP code directly in the ZSP page. Instead, we use a ZSTL, a set of XML tags. Okay. And this sequence diagram shows you how this list user feature work. You see, the request coming from the client will be handled by the list user sublet.